Hey, it's John here. We're going to do a couple 4Clojure problems. It looks like 71 and 72 are about the threading macros. The first one is the thread first macro. So all what it says is that whenever you use this macro, it's going to take all this code and turn it into that. Can be a little bit unwieldy to nest all these calls together, and then you sort of have to work your way inside out, which is a little bit unnatural. And if you use these threading macros, then you can sort of start with the initial data and then run some operation on that, and then run some operation on the result of that, and then an operation on the result of that, and it kind of flows left to right without this deep nested structure. Just nice little macro to rewrite the code. And so let's look at what this does. If we just look at the default way to write things, we would say reverse this list. So we get 631452. Then we do rest. So then we would get 31452. Then we do sort. So that would give us 1 2 3 4 5. And then that is the same as this, using that macro, and then the answer is 5. So we basically just want to get the last value, so we'll just type in last, and that will be the right answer. Okay, and now we'll go to the next threading macro, thread last. Okay, and here we have some functions with more arguments, so that makes it more interesting to see that when we use this macro, it's going to inject our data not in the first position after the argument, but in the last position of the arguments. So here we have this initial list. We'll drop 2 from it, so we'll drop 2 and 5, then we'll take 3, which will be 4, 1, and 3, and then we're going to map ink across those, so then we'll have 5, 2, and 4, and then it looks like we're going to end up with 11, so what could we do to end up with 11? Or we could, if we add up 5, 2, and 4, we'll get 11. So we probably just want to do a reduce on addition. And so it's going to do reduce plus all that, and then that's the same as running it through that threading macro. Alright, we got it right. So thank you for watching.